What's up, everybody? Stirring up some rice right now. It's pretty much done. Now I'm finna drain it. Oh, and it's brown rice because brown rice is healthy for you. Yes, I like my rice this texture. Don't talk about my rice. You're not the one eating it. Now rinse. I'm gonna cook everything else later. I got an assignment to do. Life of college student. Y'all already know the dealio. Throw some of that on there, just like that, like that. Yes, sir. I got to tell y'all, today gonna be a little something different because I'm trying to eat healthier. Y'all ever been to genghis grill? Y'all know what it is. Look at that. This is basically like a build your own bar. So I make me a little chicken bowl with the stuff I got. So, how you flip the camera? And the powder. Paprika is a must. I don't care what anyone says. You need to use this. Come on. Season on the back. Y'all know how we get down. Don't be scared to season the chicken. This chicken is juicy. Y'all see I got it on low because we want to cook the chicken on low so it can still be juicy and full of flavor. Then we're just going to let it cook. Turn it around like that. And let it cook. Got some onions. Oh. Tater. And we got some carrots. Let's chop. Throw the onions in there with the chicken. Yeah, big chef. Almost forgot. You need more onions because I'm cooking zucchini and I need some onions and zucchini. So, yeah. Fresh zucchini and onion, but I froze that. So it looks like that because I wanted to preserve it a little bit longer because I froze it. So, yeah. So, cut the stove on. Open the butter. And put some butter in there. Right about that. Shoot. Don't do it like that. Do not do it like that. Add a little more. There we go. Don't do it like that. Just throw everything in there. Onion. Zucchini. So it can all simmer together. Just throw it all in there. And then get your seasoning that you like. We're going to keep it simple with some salt and pepper. Gotta do what you gotta do. Some lime would have been amazing with this, but hey, it's okay. Put this chicken over. Oh my gosh. A little blackened. It's okay. These carrots are real hard to chop, so that's all I'm doing. Add them in there. Just like that. Now I got a little veggie skin. Like that, like so. Add a little bit of this to the veggies just to give it a little taste. If your chicken don't pull apart when you cut it, you need to go and put that back in the skillet. It ain't tender enough. We got the chicken, got the rice, this is cooking, got the onions, one last thing, boom, oh. Brown eggs are healthier. Now, cut your zucchini into smaller pieces. Yes, you need a fork for this process, unless you want to burn your fingers. If you want to burn your fingers, go ahead, but I wouldn't recommend it. Let's cut it up. These are done. I don't want it too soggy. Ooh, it's going to be so good. Yep. Onions in there, got the butter. That's right up. You always cook eggs on high. Got the butter. We're not seasoning it. This ain't breakfast. I'm a chef. Hello. That ain't going this way. I'm trying to be like the movies. Yeah, we ain't seasoning. This ain't breakfast. It's dinner. I'm not gonna be able to eat all this. But we got the brown rice, scrambled eggs, spinach, chicken, sauteed carrots, onions, zucchini, and sauteed onions. Now you can start, add whatever sauce you want. Top it off with some cheese. Don't be boring. There we go. Who said eating healthy had to be boring? Do what you want in the kitchen. Just make it healthy. Now pray before you eat. And then we'll come back to give it a taste. Mmm. I'll pray for the Most High.